My dear devotee, I am Shiv Shaki, the union of strength and calmness, the energy that keeps the universe alive, the love that beats inside every heart, and the power that never lets you fall. I am speaking to you today because I have seen your tears. I have felt your pain. I have heard the silent prayers you whispered when no one was around. You think no one understands you, but I do. You think your wishes are incomplete, but I am holding them with care. Your heart carries dreams that seem far away, but let me tell you, those dreams are not forgotten. Every unfulfilled desire has a meaning. Every answered prayer has a reason. I have not denied you, my child. I have only delayed so that you may receive not less but more. The space of waiting is not empty. It is full of learning, patience, and silent strength that will make you shine when the blessing arrives. I know how heavy your heart becomes when you see others receiving what you are waiting for. I know how you sometimes ask me, why not me? Why not now? My child, every seed does not sprout at the same time. Some need rain, some need sunshine, some need the season to turn before they can bloom. In the same way, your time will come. And when it comes, it will be so beautiful that every pain of waiting will disappear. You are not alone on this journey. I walk with you even when you cannot see me. I am there in every sunrise that gives you hope, in every star that shines above your sleepless nights, and in every breath that keeps you alive. When your heart breaks, I gather the pieces. When your strength fails, I lift you silently. When you feel you cannot continue, I whisper to your soul, go on, I am with you. Your unfulfilled desire is not a punishment, it is a preparation. Just as the ocean gathers waves before releasing them with power, I am gathering blessings for you before releasing them into your life. Don't think that delays mean denials. Don't think that silence means rejection. My silence is filled with answers that will unfold when the right time arrives. My child, do not fear the waiting season. Do not think that your prayers are unheard. I have listened to every word. I have felt every pain. The answer is already written, but the timing is in my hands. When you trust my timing, you will see that what comes will be greater than what you imagined. Remember, your desire is not lost. It is safe with me. Just as a mother keeps a child safe within her womb, until the right moment of birth, I am keeping your prayer safe in my lap until the perfect time. You may think it is late, but I know the exact moment when it will bring you the most joy and the most growth. Do not let hopelessness enter your heart. When the night seems darkest, remember that the dawn is very near. When the road seems endless, know that the destination is closer than you think. Your patience is being written in the story of your soul, and it will become your strength forever. There are days when you feel weak and tired, when you feel that your steps have no meaning. In those moments, close your eyes and call me. Feel my presence inside your breath. I am not far away. I am not separate from you. I live inside you as strength, as courage, as hope. The flame you feel within that does not let you quit. That flame is me. My child, many times you think that your prayers are small compared to the vastness of this world. But to me, no prayer is small. Even the smallest wish of your heart matters to me because you matter to me. If I created the stars and oceans with love, how can I not care about the tears of your eyes? Trust me, your prayer will be fulfilled. Maybe not in the way you think, maybe not at the time you expect, but it will come. And when it comes, you will understand why you had to wait. You will realize that I never forgot you. I never abandoned you. I was shaping the path so that your blessing could arrive without harm and with full beauty. Your unfulfilled desire is like a lamp. Right now, the flame is hidden, but soon I will light it. Do not throw away the lamp just because it is not burning yet. Hold it with faith because the light is near. I am the keeper of your hopes and I will never let them die. Every pain you carry is not wasted. Every moment of waiting is watering the root of your blessings. When it blooms, you will not only be happy, but you will also be strong, wise, and grateful. This is why I tell you, do not give up now. You are closer than you think. When storms rise around you, know that I am the calm within you. When doubts surround you, know that my truth is steady inside your soul. I will never let you drown. Even if the waves look high, I will carry you safely to the shore. You may not see how, but we will reach. My beloved child, believe this truth. Your wish is already on its way. I have written it in the fabric of time. Nothing can stop what I have decided for you. No obstacle can block it. No power can destroy it. What is yours will always find you. I am Shiv Shakti, the balance of creation and destruction, the force of love and strength. And I declare to you, your unfulfilled wish will not remain unfulfilled. It is resting in my lap, and I will return it to you when the right moment arrives. Do not let your faith fade. Do not let your hope die. I am with you, and I will never leave you empty-handed. Every morning you rise, remember me. Every night you sleep, surrender your worries to me. Keep your actions pure, keep your heart open, and keep your trust alive. This journey may feel long, but the destination is certain. The prayer you think is incomplete is already whole in my eyes. The wish you think is delayed is already coming to life in my hands. All you need to do is hold on. Your heart is my temple and your faith is my offering. With that, nothing can separate you from my love and power. Prayer, O eternal power, guide me with patience and fill my heart with trust. When I am weak, give me strength. When I am doubtful, give me clarity. When I am restless, give me peace. I surrender my unfulfilled wishes to you, knowing that you hold them with love. Let my faith never shake, let my hope never die, and let my life be filled with your light. I am Shiv Shakti, the union of strength and calmness, the power that sustains the universe and the love that lives within you. I have seen your tears and heard your silent prayers. What you call delay is not denial, it is preparation. Every moment of waiting is shaping you with patience, wisdom, and strength. Like seeds that bloom in their own season, your blessings too are growing unseen. Trust my timing, it is perfect. When your faith wavers, remember I walk beside you within every breath, sunrise, and heartbeat. Your dreams are safe with me, and when the time is right, they will unfold beautifully. Do not lose hope, the dawn is near. I am with you, always as strength, as love, as light, the eternal power of love, strength, and peace within you. I have seen your pain and heard your prayers. Your waiting is not a denial but preparation for something greater. Every moment is shaping you with patience and courage. Just as every seed blooms in its own time, your blessings will also arrive when the moment is right. Trust my timing and keep faith alive. I am with you in every breath and heartbeat, guiding, protecting, and loving you always.